Hey everybody, this is George with you again at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1978 Chevy Camaro Z28. I know what you're thinking, this is a really beautiful brown, but it's actually, I guess the name's Cameo Beige. But that's not the main story of this car. It's that this is an actual survivor. A little over 3,000 miles. You would never guess it just by looking at it. This thing is beautiful. I've got the chance to drive it around between showrooms a little bit. I've had it for, I think, a few weeks, and I am really excited to get this out on the road. Absolutely stunning car. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself does a video. And then when we're done here, go on over to volocars.com, check out the 100 or so other pictures, Jay's write-up, the pricing, and then call sales, because I know we've already been getting calls on this one. Gosh, I love this car. Everything about it just still looks brand new. The seat's super comfortable. The dash looks gorgeous. If you look, I'm not seeing any tears, rips. Nowhere needs to be re-dyed. I put the seatbelt on. The AC did get updated with 134, R134. It's just, I got it up a little bit and it starts right up, and seemed like it was blowing out a little cold. But we'll actually have to let it run for a little bit longer to see how cold it really blows. But yeah, I want to get this out on the road. Stereo works great. The shift indicator is up here in the cluster gauge, or the gauge cluster. So since this is my first time getting out on the road, I'm gonna kind of take it smooth and slow at first, get a feel for it, and then later on in the video I'll get on it. Power steering, power disc brakes, even has a cruise control. This is faster than I've ever had it before, so I don't know, I have a huge grin on my face right now. I absolutely love this car. It's such just an easy ride. The steering wheel feels incredible. There's no tearing of this at all. It's just, the people or person that took care of this, they did a phenomenal job. Drives nice and straight. This road's a little slanted, but it's still going. I mean, look, there is no play in the wheel. You turn a little bit, it turns. This is a bumpy road. I'm not hearing clanks or anything. A great, solid car. This is almost like someone just put it in a time capsule. I love every single thing about this. If we weren't about to buy a house, I'd probably convince the wife that we need this. I think we can put some car seats back there. This is such a great ride. Let's get on a little. Oh, that's a pick-me-up. Oh, that was nice. On the way back down now, I'll open up a little bit more. I'll just get a little feel. It just cruises right down the road. whoever buys this is going to be absolutely in love as well. Hopefully it's somewhere dry and warm all year, so you get to drive this one 365 days out of the year. Awesome turning radius. I actually go down to first, get it this way. It's just so effortless how it gets up in speed. It's not a race car, but plenty of guts for it. It's, like I said, I'm in love. I'm in love. Well, I hope you enjoyed this test drive as much as I did. If you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then go on over to volocars.com, because like I said, we've already been getting calls on this, and someone's gonna absolutely love this, and it's gonna go quick. So as always, I appreciate you.